Hello, peace, salam. This video is all about music. It's me, Filmon Tesfay Estifanos, a multi-instrumentalist, musician and singer. On the 1st of January 2025, I will release a new song, my own song that I have written and composed. I will release it in the form of music video on my YouTube channel, Filmon Film-on-Music, and Spotify, Filmon Film-on-Music. So check it out, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So check it out, like, comment, share, and subscribe.